Episode 4. Hip Replacement Surgery, Restoring Mobility and Comfort. Welcome back to MD Talk Procedures, the podcast where we break down and explain various medical procedures. I'm your host, Jarvis Oncall. In today's episode, we'll be discussing hip replacement surgery, a procedure that can dramatically improve the quality of life for individuals suffering from hip joint pain or arthritis. Don't forget to join the conversation using the hashtag #MDTalkProcedures on social media. Hip replacement surgery, also known as total hip arthroplasty, is a procedure performed to replace a damaged or diseased hip joint with an artificial implant, known as a prosthesis. The surgery aims to relieve pain, improve joint function, and enhance the patient's mobility. There are various reasons for hip replacement surgery, including osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, hip fractures, and other joint-related conditions. Before the surgery, patients undergo a series of tests and imaging studies, such as X-rays and MRIs, to assess their overall health and the extent of hip joint damage. During the procedure, the patient is placed under general or regional anesthesia. The surgeon makes an incision over the hip joint, removes the damaged joint surfaces, and replaces them with the prosthetic components. The artificial hip joint typically consists of a metal stem, a ball component made of metal or ceramic, and a plastic or ceramic socket. Recovery from hip replacement surgery can take several weeks or months. Patients usually start physical therapy soon after the procedure to regain strength, mobility, and balance. It's crucial to follow the healthcare team's instructions and attend follow-up appointments to ensure proper healing and recovery. Hip replacement surgery has a high success rate, with most patients experiencing significant pain relief and improved function. However, it's important to note that artificial joints may wear out over time and require revision surgery. Thank you for joining us today on MD Talk Procedures. We hope you now have a better understanding of hip replacement surgery. Don't forget to subscribe to our podcast for more episodes that provide insight into various medical procedures. Join the conversation on social media using the hashtag #MDTalkProcedures.